Now available at McCarthy Cars, the 10 Reg Mazda 5 Takara 2.0 in metallic silver finish with a 16-inch of Mazda alloy wheels. It's got a roof rails and a privacy glass. It's a 5-door with 2 sliding doors. It's got split folding rear seats. It's got front forks. It's got 7 headrests, velour interior. Picnic tables. It's got a center armrest. And under the seats, example under this one, it's got 2 cup holders and some storage. And under this one, got the seat. For your safety, it's got front and side airbags. It's got armrests on both of the sides. On the door, it's got electric windows, mirrors, and it's got folding mirrors. It's got lumbar support, driver's side armrest. It's got the automatic gearbox. Air conditioning. Multifunction audio system, which reads MP3s. It's got the screen in there. The vehicle is done only 47,000 miles. Got some volume controls in here. Sunglasses storage. This was the quick overview of the Mazda 5. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.